Hey everybody, welcome to Northern Sparkle Diamonds and Hobbies. I'm Sparkles and thanks for stopping by. And if you're new here, then a huge warm welcome to you. Glad you found my channel. Hopefully you like what you see. I invite you to go and watch some of my other videos. See what you like. Got a little bit of something for everybody. And if you're one of my older subscribers, already subscribed, then thank you for returning, for coming back. So today is... I have no idea what day it is. I think it's the 4th of February. I know it is around 7 o'clock at night, or 7:30, somewhere in there. Didn't really look at the time, going into this. But today's video, I'm going to do a whip and chat for you guys this evening. So let's settle in, grab your snacks and drinks. Grab your own whips or whatever you may be working on, and if you're wanting to listen in, that's okay too. And let's get started. So I have the fireplace on today or tonight, and on it is these Glade vanilla passion fruit wax cubes, and this smells really good. So let's do our affirmation card. That reads, your dreams are worth pursuing. Don't be afraid to set ambitious goals and work tirelessly to turn them into reality. But I should also add to that, I try to make it fun. You can also make it fun here. Alright, so I'm going to be using a new to me pen. I actually found this in my cupboard over yonder, and I thought, well, it's the month of love, so let's give this one a whirl. It's a pink and sparkle one, and I'm going to be working on my Tuxedo cat today. So the area I'm going to be doing is down here. See here, that you get stuck down there. And once again, I don't have my drills handy. I will be putting you guys on pause for a minute. All right, I'm back. my drills were over on the diamond painting storage boxes. But now we're okay. So what am I going to work on first here? I think we'll work on 3. Well, no, I better not. Let's work on the number 8. With a very pretty pink. And there is some color blocking, so. Alright, what has been happening here? Hopefully you guys, you yourselves are doing okay. Basically I had a little bit of a relaxation day. Nothing new here, just the same old, same old. But I thought I'd better pop on and see you guys and have a visit with you all. I guess the big thing to note here is we lost a member of our diamond painting community and a fellow YouTuber. And I did a shout out video for her channel a while back. It's Carrie from DP in the Dakotas. She passed away on Sunday. And she will be forever missed, for sure. Like, that's a shocker. I didn't know her long. I believe I first seen her in, it was either Tita's live stream or it was Sherry from KY Philly Diamonds and Diamond Painting and More. It was one of those two live streams that I had seen her or I had met her. She had a very bubbly personality, and I mean, I just can't believe that she is gone, but yeah, hopefully she's doing a bunch of diamond painting up she's residing in the Lord's house, and hopefully she's doing a bunch of diamond painting. Finding time for that, and maybe visiting with those who went before her. I think hopefully, you know, like, I like to think this, and I was told this way by other relatives from my own parents that passed away, and even my older sister. They were called home for a better purpose, or a better reason. And that's what I believe. Alright, I think we're good with the 8s on that one. But it's just too bad. Really like her videos. I mean, I like all the videos that I watch. For the ones I subscribe to. You know, we're one huge family here. The diamond painting world. Weather-wise, it's been actually very good here, but cold. Like, I mean, I think tonight's supposed to be down to in the minus 20s, and that's Celsius. So I'm not too sure what that would be in Fahrenheit. But I know it's cold either way. And I'm really hoping that spring arrives soon. We can get rid of all this cold weather, and we don't have to, as my mom would say, put it, we won't have to dress up like Santa Claus with all of our winter gear. Get back to wearing t-shirts and shorts, and, you know, not even worry about the jackets and everything. Those days are coming. And then when those days arrive, we're going to wish that we had cooler weather. Just watch. So I've watched a few YouTube content creators that I subscribe to here. I've been watching them. Lazy Retired Granny, she and Julius, both of them, they were doing unboxing and WIP and chat, you know. Julie, she unboxed a really cute set of minis, or squishmallows. That's actually an adorable set of plushies too, or stuffies. They are so cute, but so expensive. And I think in my Walmart up here, and I don't know about anybody else's Walmart, but I know in my Walmart, you can get Squishmallow plush beds for dogs. Yeah, you heard me right. I think they're around 45 bucks. They are not cheap, but for dogs, for a bed. I mean, that is... And they're for, like, and they're for medium to, I guess it all depends. You know, some dog parents may have small dogs and still get that size for their dog, because I guess it does give them a lot of room. But to me, it's for medium to bigger sized animal. So I watched, Lazy Retired Granny also had a, unboxing of a, what do you call it, puzzle book as well. They're into those, community's into those, puzzle books. I'm not into those yet. Let's see here. I think we're okay on the 9s. Get out. Thank you. And then she also had the whip and chat video. I'll do 4. We'll do 3 10s. So nothing new with the my feathered friends here. Which is the same old Miss Riley with her give me attention and I want it now kind of behavior. And she's doing this all while her sister's literally playing with her own toys. Which is kind of fun. No, not Riley. She'd rather have me come in there and play with her. Otherwise, she'll just go and she'll hang upside down in her cage and literally start to say, "Would you get your butt in here and play with me?" I'm not going to lie. It's in a very, you often hear her on the on the videos anyway. That's exactly what she does, and you just imagine that non-stop. That's how you get. Now you tell you yourself get in the room and give her attention and play with her. Oh, life with pets, it's pretty good, am I right? Never a dull moment. Diamond painting. With my diamond painting, I still have not finished the farming, custom farming yet. I'm hoping and praying that I get it done soon, because I mean it's getting a little old, especially that I moved on to the Tuxedo cat. Alright, seriously. What else is popping here? Besides the drills that you hear snapping. Oh yeah, later on, after this video uploads, I'm going to be doing a unboxing before I have my dinner. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I have a canvas that I would like to show off and potentially work on for the this upcoming month here, since it's Valentine's Day. And I think it'll probably work for a couple of squares on the bingo card as well. And that's another thing I gotta do, is I gotta go through my completions and see what will work for the bingo cards, and see if I can maybe update those. And I might do a quick video about that one on the channel with you guys. I might double dip in some of them, but I like to see if I can, you know, not double dip much. Yeah, a little glare here. There we go. Hopefully that's better. So I was able to chip away at the bingo cards here again on Temu, and I think I just put the last order that I'm going to put in for a while and work on what I got. Because I don't know exactly what I got. Ah. So yeah, as far as the scheduling goes for the channel, I did give it I maybe not have given it a good enough shot for this, but I think I see it all I needed to see with regards to how well one gaming video and one crafting video is going to work on my channel, and I don't think it is. I think people are used to me putting out a farming simulator video once a week. Same with the gaming ones. And I think we're going to go back to that. So Sundays will be our gaming day. I will say for sure, like I did just release the episode 8 of farming, and it is actually going pretty slow. Man, I can't seem to hit the multiplayer or multi-purpose tool here. There we go. Maybe when the farm picks up, you know, I might be able to you know, add in one more episode to it. Now, here's the other thing. I don't think I'm not enjoying the game as much as I usually do, and that is because, you know, you guys heard me talk about this this challenge farm that my friends got going for silage challenge, and that's back on FS15. And to be honest with you guys, that's actually my favorite one of the series to play. And if it was up to me, I would actually go and quit the FS25 farm and just get a farm going on FS15. And the reason also is because the map that I would play on for 15, I actually did the edits to it. Like, I have a lot more fun playing that game than 25. I just don't know what it is about it. It's just that maybe that's the game I was more involved with whenever I did start. A lot of good memories built on that game. So you guys let me know in the comments section below, like, if you would like me to go and play a couple of episodes to try to start a farm up on FS15, just to see if you guys like it. I know there's a couple of people that they do watch farm. They have played Farming Simulator in the past. And they probably know what FS15 is and probably are saying, oh, that game again. Like, in my opinion, a person should be able to play whatever they enjoy playing. I mean, it is an older version of the game, but the fundamentals really do not change. In fact, if anything, you guys might find it a little bit more interesting. Like, I used to be a map builder for Farm Sim. I haven't built a map now in over a year. And I do have a couple of maps out for FS25. I just kind of lost interest in it. I think what I'll do for this coming Sunday, we'll still have the Sims 4 episode go out. Still follow Skylar around in her life. It is getting very tough for me to keep up with her. And I think that's what makes the episode and the video more fun to watch. Because, wow. At times there, it feels like I'm running around with my chicken, like a chicken with its head cut off. That's how busy it has become, for that character to stay in school and get good marks. Like, whenever I was playing a little bit off camera, her grades improved and now she is a B student. But she's just getting by with whatever she's getting by with. My fear is I'll have to pull her out of school for a couple of days just to get to go out and make some money. Because Mondays, I guess you could say the property taxes come in. And right now she does not have enough to even cover that. But that will be on Sunday. And I think the farming video, I think I'm going to do, we'll do a test trial on FS15. We'll see about my friend's map, or my friend's, what do you call it, game. See if we can help them out. They've really started right at the bottom, and now they're having to buy their equipment, which is always a lot of fun. Alright, I think we're going to do the ones, and then I'm going to let you guys get on with your evening. With whatever you may be doing. I'm going to be going on to a unboxing video shortly. I do not like this at all. I think I'm going to have to change out my putty. I'll definitely finish this section off camera, I think. So if you guys like what you see, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up. You know, if you like, you can leave a comment. You can hit if you like the content, you can hit the subscribe button. It'll really help me out. Share it out if you'd like. And that is it. And you guys have a wonderful day. Later on, the unboxing video will be up. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Take care.